So before we move to the various concepts of Six Sigma, we should try to understand the benefits of learning Six Sigma first, so that once you are able to relate with the benefits, so I think the attention would be better from your side, right? So when we apply Six Sigma, improved finished product, so improved customer satisfaction. So basically, the outcome of an organization would be improved, and respectively, the customer satisfaction will improve. This is the one major benefit. Improved revenue stream. I told you this is beneficial not only for the customer but for the organization also. You will earn more revenue. Basically, you are improving your bottom line, because the bottom line for any organization is a better revenue. Career advancement. Whoever is doing Six Sigma project, they will definitely get a good edge in their career because they have more knowledge. They have done a project in this. So it's a major certification you will get. It helps to nurture managerial and leadership ability. There are various roles in Six Sigma project. I will take you through that in coming modules. But the top level roles in Six Sigma project gives you more managerial and leadership ability. So depending upon what kind of role you get in a Six Sigma project, you will understand and you will nurture those ability in your profile. It improves business processes and sustained quality improvement, right? So basically, you are improving the quality and capability of your processes. Excellent salary, of course. When you are going to perform good, you are going to save money for your company. You will also get promoted and get excellent salary. Applicability across industries. So there was a myth earlier that Six Sigma can only be applied in manufacturing industry, but this is not the case. You can apply it in human resource, marketing, finance, IT, anywhere. So basically, it can be applicable anywhere in any industry. It ensures compliance because you are uh, applying some basic principles or basic methodology which have been approved by experts. So you are complying with those methodology which you are applying in your organization. So it ensures that compliance. You gain hands-on experience in quality management when you are working on a Six Sigma project. And once you start with a Six Sigma project on a process, so you study that process thoroughly. So it gives you a better understanding of the entire process. Organizational growth. Of course, when you are improving your processes, you are taking care of your customer satisfaction, you are streamlining all the processes and everything. So organization is definitely going to grow. Support your organization in correcting errors. Of course, the major aim of Six Sigma is reducing the variations and the defects. So basically, you are correcting errors and improved company culture. Once you initiate with Six Sigma projects in your company, it becomes a practice because it is giving you results. So what happens? It becomes a practice. It becomes a culture. So it improves a company's culture. So these are the benefits you are going to get when you learn Six Sigma.